Your Excellency and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. It's indeed a very exciting day for us as caregivers, as healthcare workers, as cancer survivors, and as patients undergoing cancer treatment. Just as earlier talked you through the journey of what a cancer patient goes through, it's been really a challenge for them, in as much as they've been able to be seen here, because we have quite around 8 doctors who are specialized in cancer treatment. We're able to see the patients, but then they're not able to get treatment here in KTRH. They will testify, they have to go to private facilities, their NHIF wears off before they finish their chemo. They have to be referred to MTRH, KTRH, very far, leave their families behind. So seeing treatment coming closer to them at home is exciting news for them and their families. For healthcare givers, it also gives a lot of joy to us to see our patients going through that treatment journey successfully. There's nothing as worrying for a healthcare worker when you're very concerned about a patient but they're not able to go through treatment. You can see their sufferings, but you can't join them in that suffering. But for what you have done today, Your Excellency, you're lessening their suffering by ensuring that they are able to access this treatment here. And appreciating that this will not only serve your county, surprisingly, we see so many patients. Nyamira, we saw a lot of them within the unit, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisumu, down here as Chabera. So we are seeing patients across mainland Tanzania. So the impact is wider than what we can actually see or touch. And we are very, very, very grateful for this. And as we've said, it's a stepping stone to a better world. To see that cancer center completed, now we have to go for radiotherapy very far. But we have to start somewhere. We can't wait. We have to use what we have. And we are very optimistic that once that center is done, then we'll completely have comprehensive cancer care here. The requests our patients have are not very hard. They just need us to listen to them a bit more. Cancer survivor requested for tamoxifen, Your Excellency. That drug changes life for patients surviving breast cancer. They're meant to take a single drug every day for 5 to 10 years. That drug in a good pharmacy would cost you 300 shillings for a month. It sounds very cheap. But to put that math, 300 times 12 times 10, and they have other pressing priorities in life. But bringing this service here, for us to be organized and ensuring that is there, to have access programs that can make these patients access these drugs will definitely make their life worthwhile. It will encourage them to live a positive life and to encourage other people to also come and experience the treatment of cancer. Because there's stigma out there, as they will tell us. But when we see patients going through cancer treatment successfully and going back to their work every day, when I'm sitting there and I touch myself and I feel I have a lump, when as a man I'm going to the toilet and I have to wake up every night 9 times for a short call, because I saw my neighbor, he had surgery, he had chemo, he had radio, now he's back. Ako shambani analima. I am encouraged to also go through the same process because of the positive lives of survivors. And that is the story you're emulating today and encouraging today, which we are really, really, really grateful. So basically my talk today is just to say how thankful we are to see it tangible today, and hoping it will be a continuous process. We don't need to see you we don't need to physically see you here every day to feel the services, because you've already given us the blessing. We should be able to experience this service every day. My team, service every day. Yeah, so asante sana.